What's going on, everybody? You are watching Ride, and my name is Jeff. We've got a bit of breaking news from the dead Geneva show, which is still producing content for everybody. Koenigsegg has created a new insano machine that occasionally cares about the environment. It's called the Gemera, and it's what the Swedish automaker likes to call a mega car. This one, though, is a Mega GT. Mega, of course, refers to the amount of power being produced. Here in the Gemera, it's 1.27 megawatts of power. Put in terms you better understand, that's 1,700 horsepower and 8,113 pound-feet of torque. How does it create that prodigious thrusting force? Also, don't Google prodigious thrusting force. The Gemera is a hybrid. Behind the passengers in the engine bay lives a 2-liter twin-turbocharged 3-cylinder engine dubbed the Tiny Friendly Giant. No, that's real and that's amazing. On its own, it produces 600 horsepower, which is equally amazing. Now add in the extra effort of 3 electric motors and you arrive at the crazy figures we quoted before. See, this is me quoting it before. The gas engine drives the front wheels. One of the electric motors sends juice to the front, while the 2 other electric motors send power out back. Thus, the Gemera is all-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, and it can vector torque to wherever the driving party is the hottest. It's also got 1 gear, so just put it into the Swedish equivalent of D and mash the throttle. When you do that, you'll go from 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds. Keep holding down the go pedal and you could theoretically do at least 250 miles per hour. Per Koenigsegg, that is at least 250. The best bit of this thing? It's a 4-passenger car and it has latch anchors in the back. Yes, you would literally be the coolest parent on the planet if you use this as a ground-based space shuttle to bring your kids to and from school. It's oddly practical too for a Koenigsegg. It has 8 cup holders, onboard Wi-Fi, and heated seats. And if you want to run silently and still do crazy high-speed blasts, you can drive the Gemera on nothing but electrons up to a speed of 210 miles per hour. Koenigsegg are building 300 of them. We have no idea what it costs, but you can't afford it. And they're probably all sold out already anyway. Christian von Koenigsegg, we salute you and your team. Insane machine. The occasionally cares about the environment. Who's the Natalie Portman's dad in the Thor movies?
Natalie Portman's dad?
Her character's dad.
The professor?
Yeah. Hello, Thor.
What?
That's her dad, isn't it?
No.
It's not?
No, it's just the professor.
Oh, okay. She's like a student at first or something? Or she? I don't know who Jane is. I don't remember the first one.
She walks around and just like catches Thor's. She turns into.
Yes, I know.
The she Thor.
I know.
Then you just said you don't know.
Well, I don't know her origin story.
Oh, but you know her post-origin story.
That's just called a story. Oh my God.
Cyberbullying me.
Koenigsegg's created new machine.
I feel that's wrong in so many ways.
I don't know.
I don't know how.
Hey friends, today we're testing new camera. Greetings friends, it's called Gemera, and it's what Swedish automaker likes to call mega car. This one though is the Mega GT.
Let's do it. I need a Jeremy Clarkson right now. First sentence, go.
No. Are we rolling? Are we? Can we do the real one? All right. I gotta do an intro first though.
Write down your intro?
No, I'm just gonna say it.
Okay, go.
Like, hi, I'm Jeff.
My name's Jeff.
Oh, shut up.